you doing?
Yummy.
Do you know what that is?
Huh?
It's called Feijoa or Feijoa or Feijoa, something like that.
Huh?
Repeat after me. Fe,
Phá.
je,
Giá.
a,
Á.
Feijoa. Say it.
Mình giấy nè. Yummy.
What? No, no, don't say that. And in Chinese, it's called Feijiguo.
Ăn gì quả. Cái gì.
Welcome to Age of the Plants. F for fantastic Feijoas! Yay! And of course, the bloopers from excellent eggplants are at the end of today's video. So stay till the end to watch it. Hey Siri, why are Feijoas good for you? 75% vitamin C, 8% is vitamin B6, another 6% is vitamin K. It is a superfood, everyone! And here are today's ingredients. Feijoas, lemon, coconut water, and raw honey. Welcome to Lucy's Kitchen! Today we're going to do a little bit of an experiment because I am going to be playing with Feijoas for the first time today. Because it tastes a little bit like guava with a bit of like lemony, limey, pineapple taste to it. And then there's this fragrance, like this fruity fragrance that just comes out like perfume. We're going to make today Feijoa sorbets. Let's get cooking. Let's start by washing the Feijoas and washing your hand as well. And wash the mint leaves as well. We'll be using it later on. Now we've finished washing it. Because the skin of the Feijoa, although it's edible, but there's a bit of a bitter, soury taste to it. And I don't think it'll go too well for the sorbet. It's okay if you eat it like this. For the sorbet's purpose, I'm going to peel it off. The interior meat of the Feijoa is actually very sweet. Let's chop it up into like, sizes that are enough for us to put into the blender. See, this is what it looks like inside. Can you see this? This is what it looks like. So there's seeds inside it, and it's all edible. The sweetest part is actually the seeds. I need to use a bigger one. Oops. I'm gonna put a little bit of a lemony taste to it because I think it might go well. And then I'm gonna throw some mint leaves in it as well because I think it's a really good combination. And then I'm gonna put probably around 2 teaspoons, I say. Because when you freeze it, it'll you need it slightly sweeter than normal. Tastes so good. Wow. I'm just gonna put about probably this much of coconut water. Let's blend it. Okay, so I've done a quick taste of it. It tastes really good, but I don't think it's sweet enough for a sorbet, so I'm gonna put a bit more honey into it. Okay, more blending. Now there's more honey in there. Let's taste it. I think that tastes about right this time. All right, let's pop it into a container and freeze it. I just remembered that I've got actually these like popsicle containers that I can put it in. Ooh. Wow. And just to make it pretty, I'm gonna put some like mint leaves in it so it'll like look pretty when you eat it. All right, now this is ready and let's pop it in the freezer and freeze it until it's frozen. Okay, it's now been almost 2 hours since we put the feijoas in the freezer. So I took it out of the freezer and this is what it looks like now. It's turned into a sorbet. I'm gonna put some mint into it to make it look pretty. Voila, like this. And this is what it looks like. Feijoa sorbet! Are we ready to taste it? Mmm! Oh wow! It tastes so natural, like the flavor of the Feijoa, which is that little bit of guava, lemony taste, just oozes out. Make your own fruit sorbet. This is 100% natural and so much vitamin C is in this. Next week is G. I don't know what to do for G again. I need some help. So if you know what I should do, please leave a comment and let me know. So if you enjoyed today's video, remember what to do. Share it with your friends. Done. Live healthy, live happy. Woohoo! I'll see you next week. Bye. Oops. Can go here. Oh shit. Exciting! Eggplant! Eat me! Why are eggplants good for you? Hello Siri? Still no, why? Welcome to Lucy's kitchen! No, the way my mommy likes it. That sounds so wrong. No, hang on. 好色哦！色桃。Ouch. Ooh. 就是糖的，惊到。I'm not used to eggplants this shape. It's too big for me. Because I can't handle it too spicy. Oh my god, that's really spicy. Stir fry time with no oil. No, 等一下。Check out my nose. Well, no, blah, blah, blah. Would you like some? I love eggplants. Okay.